Hello guys, welcome to my HTML course. Today is the second lesson. We are going to learn what are tags. This is an important topic about HTML. Everything we build with this language is based on tags, okay? So, in the first lesson we created our first tag, but now we will learn the anatomy of a tag. So let's first learn important stuff about tags, and after that we're gonna practice tags on our code editor. So I put here the HTML elements are written as tags. Every title, image, paragraph, table, list was coded with a tag before the browser interprets the element. They all have a similar syntax, a pattern. So we will write a var tag in a similar way. Even the paragraphs, even the images have a pattern that we will follow to create a tag on HTML. And let's learn more about syntax. Syntax is the way we code something and has its difference between programming languages. So write code in JavaScript is different than writing code in HTML. These differences are parts of the syntax of a language. And the example of a tag is we put the angle brackets, we open and close them, and here in the middle is the name of the tag. So P stands for paragraphs. And here is the content. So we write some text, and in the browser we will only see text because it omits the text. Only if we inspect the code of a website we can see the text. So the people that are seeing our website don't see any text, just text or content like images. And we need to close the angle bracket. So use the same as the first, but with a slash. This means that we are ending a tag. And this is the syntax. We repeat this syntax in every tag we create. Some tags doesn't have the closing or the ending tag, but always we will be declaring the opening. And in this course, we'll learn more about tags like attributes and also to configure other tags in HTML. And I put a note here for you to pay attention on these open and closing tags. You will see a lot of this in HTML, like I said before. And for the last point, this tag creates a paragraph on our site. So every tag has a unique meaning, and we should know the most used to develop a website. Okay, now let's go to code editor to practice some tags. Here's the code of the last lesson. We created a tag that represents a title. So now we will erase this tag and create a new one. Like I said before, we need a opening and a closing angle brackets. In the middle, we need the name of the tag. So by its name, we can know the meaning of the tag, like P for paragraphs. And we need to close this tag. So this is a complete tag for a paragraph, but we need also the content. And we will write here, my first paragraph. So now you can copy the path and open the browser. Here is the paragraph we created. So like I said in the slide, we can't see the tags, the opening and the closing. But if you inspect this code, we can see them. We can click in the window with the right button, okay, and select inspect. And here the HTML is shown. We can see our elements, our tags, and our paragraph is here. Other tags are created, but we didn't written them. In the next lectures, we will learn about this structure. We will learn why the browser creates these tags for us and why we need them to run an HTML on browser. So we can write more tags. We can add a title with h2 tags. So like paragraph, we are adding the open and the closing tags, and also we need the content, my title. If you reload the page, we can see our title, and now it is with our paragraph that we added before. Here we are creating our page, but we need a minimal structure to write, to code a better HTML. In the next lectures, we will learn this structure. We will create a base for our page, and we can advance in other tags, other elements of HTML. So guys, this is it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture.